Hello everyone, my name is Han Dang. I will be your instructor for the Counseling 14 College Success online class. This is a brief online orientation for those of you who was not able to attend the in-person orientation on campus. So let's get started. Obviously, you were able to log into Canvas and into the Counseling 14 class. That is how you're able to view this video. This is our home page. When you log in, you obviously will be seeing this. On the home page, it has my contact information. The best way to communicate with me is via the Canvas inbox, which you can find to your left. All you have to do is click on that and send me an email anytime you have any questions. My phone number is listed. When you email me, I will reply back to you within 24 to 48 hours, Monday through Fridays. If you email me after 1 p.m. on Fridays or over the weekend, I will probably reply back to you on Monday. Anytime that you want to communicate with me more one-on-one, I have phone conference that we can set up. We can do a chat. We can also go through Zoom, video conferencing, and we can also meet in person through an appointment if necessary. The course description is listed here. And if you look to the very left, these are the important areas that you must be aware of. Besides this home page, we have the syllabus, which include a handout for the course syllabus, what I expect in terms of this class, the grading policy, etc. will be here. The due dates for each discussion and assignment as well as exam will also be here. We also have announcements. Weekly, I will be making an announcement, so please check to make sure that you read through the announcements each week so that you stay up to date on the class. Then we have the modules, which basically will include your weekly discussion and assignments. This is where you will go to get started in terms of your workload for the week. Discussions are here. Then we have assignments. We have 3 exams that are listed under the quizzes, and then your grades. So whenever you have a discussion or assignment that is due and it's graded, this is where you go to find out how many points you earned for each of those. People is where you would go to see the list of all your classmates, or if you want to communicate with your classmates. This is the chat. You can schedule a time to do a chat with me, or you can even chat among yourself if you wanted to set that up, I believe. Zoom is the video conferencing. So those are the really important areas that you just want to be aware of. So to start the orientation, obviously, we're going to just click here. So this leads you to the main module 1, which is orientation and introduction. Every time that you start a week, you need to go to the overview and learning objective. So for this first week, it's orientation and introduction. We're going to go ahead and click there. So you see a couple of quotes at the top, and then you see what is the student learning outcome, what you will learn from this particular week. So the orientation consists of 4 areas that I want you to cover. First, I want you to click on the handout for the course syllabus and review it in detail. It provides all the information you need in terms of technical support as well as grading policy, etc. Then read the netiquette guidelines and manage your time. Then go to the video and watch how to organize yourself for online success. Then number 4, you want to review the handouts for discussion guideline, and also I provided 10 tips for how to be successful in Counseling 14 online class. So once you do that, then you can go ahead and begin reading the first chapter. So because this is a zero textbook cost course, it means you don't have to purchase a book, and everything is on the Canvas website for you to be able to read the chapters. So the first chapter is Welcome. So if you click on it, it will link you to the actual chapter, and I just want you to read the chapter first. Once you have read the chapter, then you can go ahead and go to discussion 1 and assignment 1. So that will be the first week. In the discussion 1, I'm going to go ahead and click on discussion 1. You are basically introducing yourself to the class. You can see I included a little bit about myself at the top. So you're going to tell the class at least 3 things you like to do for fun, and why did you decide to take this course, and what is your major if you have already declared your major. Then you're going to upload a picture of yourself, and I have provided instructions here with links that you can go to get directions on how you would upload your picture. It is really important to have a photo of yourself here because since it's an online class, we're not seeing each other face to face, so I prefer that you do that. If you don't upload a picture of yourself, you will be losing a point. So that's another incentive to do it. After you have done that and post your picture as well as introducing yourself, then you can go ahead and reply to at least 2 of your classmates. Okay. This is also information on how to apply to a discussion if you need extra help with that. Once you have completed the discussion, then go ahead and take the syllabus quiz. This quiz is only 10 points. Basically, it's a review of what is on the syllabus. So the questions that you have here is all based on the content of the course syllabus. So you will notice that I have given you 2 attempts. So you will be able to take it twice, and I will take the best score out of the 2. So basically that is it. Once you complete the syllabus quiz, then you completed week 1, module 1, and the following week we will then go to the next module, which is module 2. And again, you do the same thing. You would read through what is in the overview and learning objective and read the chapter first, which is Chapter 2, Set Yourself Up for Success, then do Discussion 2 and Assignment 2. Now, the other important thing I want to point out are the rubrics. So when you go into the Discussion 2 or any discussions, you will find the rubric for the discussions. The rubric, let me just click on the second discussion, is right here. You can click on that and it will show the rubric, and this tells you what is expected, how I will be grading. So make sure that you read it carefully and understand it so that you will get the most possible points. Once you have completed discussion 2, you can also go to the next one, which is the extra credit. And basically this just tells you, as in the syllabus, that if you post your discussion by Wednesday of the week, you will get 2 extra credit points. you don't necessarily have to respond to 2 of your classmates, but just by posting by Wednesday, you will get the 2 extra credit points. This is an incentive for those of you to help you to get started early rather than waiting until the last minute to complete your assignment. When you go to the assignment, there will always be a rubric for that as well. So for this particular assignment 2, mindset reflection essay is what you'll be doing. And then again, I have the rubric there for you to follow. So that's basically how the class is run. I'll go back to the modules. You just need to each week log in and do the modules as we go. So the first module is orientation and introduction. Go to the overview and learning objective first. Read the welcome chapter and then do your discussion and assignment 1. After that, you then can go to the module 2 and again go to overview and learning objective so that you can read your chapter first and then do your discussion and your assignment and so on and so forth. Later on, I will be sending you more information as to the time management paper that we have so that you have a better understanding of how to do that. I will give you ample time to get started on that, so no worries. If you have any questions, please make sure that you email me by using the Canvas inbox. And I look forward to chatting with you online. I look forward to communicating with you online and look forward to a great semester with you. Talk to you soon.